Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a ban on TikTok and get back to creating your content. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips for resolving issues with your account. Let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser, and this could be Chrome, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. In the search bar, type unbanned TikTok account and then hit enter. From the search result, click on this first website, and once you click on the website, you will land on screen like this. And here click on visit the help center, and with that you will land on screen like this. Now locate the search bar within the page and then type report into the search bar and then hit enter. After searching, you should see few options appear. Now look for the option report a problem, or you can click on the pencil icon, and this will specifically take you to the page where you can submit a report regarding your account issue. And you will land on screen like this that allows you to write a message on TikTok. So here you should write something similar to "Hi TikTok team, I'm really sorry if I violated your community guidelines or rules." After this, add your account details like your username and email address. Make sure to check your message for any typos and ensure that your username and email address are correct. Accurate information is essential for TikTok to identify your account. You can also add screenshots if that's required. And after you are satisfied with your message, click on submit button, and with that your request will be sent to TikTok. Now keep an eye on your email inbox for any responses from TikTok. They may provide further instructions or inform you of their decision regarding your account. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.